Good morning, it's Simon here. I hope you can hear me clearly because the wind is howling this morning here in Cape Town. But I need to show you the pool and another project. So this is what we're going to be doing. This is a massive 21 by 15 meter pool, commercial pool in the city, CBD of Cape Town. So I'm going to take you on the journey, so I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you some pictures and the progress in this project. Enjoy. Hi there, Simon here from Perfect Pools. It's day 4 of the abandoned pool renovation. We are busy cleaning and patching up some areas, and then the guys are finishing off with the mosaics. That should be busy until about lunchtime this afternoon, and then it's time for the top coat and final coat. So the pool's almost finished. I think by tomorrow we'll be done and dusted. We cannot wait for you to see the final result. From my side, don't forget to like and subscribe, but wait for the final video. We'll be back shortly. Good morning, Simon here from Perfect Pools. Well, we're done with the pool, basically 99%. We're just doing some touch-ups here and there, some bugs and leaves that fell into the pool, so we took it out, sanded down, just touching it up. We've got some mosaic areas that need some touching up as well, but we're almost done. The next video that you'll see, or when I get back, it will be with full water, chemicals in the pool, and it's running. So stay where you are, don't go away. We are so happy to show you the final product. Until later, bye. Good morning from a very sunny winter's morning here in Cape Town, and this is the final video of the renovation of this Olympic-sized swimming pool, and I hope you can see it. I should be able to put some footage on the end of the video. Don't hesitate to call us if you need your pool to be renovated as well. From my side, enjoy.